Create an online store to sell your photo. Post complete control, ultimate customization, and high profit margins. Cons high initial investment and more time consumed best for ad photographer. One of the best way to market and sell your photo online by creating your own online store. Three are several advanced to this approach. It a great way to enable creativity enable site visitors to contact you directly and sell you photo while retaining full control over your work and pricing. Plus, you get to keep all the sale revenue. Having photographer website also means that you can customize the website design according to your niche and have a head start building your brand. There are many platforms available to build your online photographer business for beginners. We remembered using drag and drop website builder like Zyro. It's easy to use intuitively and offers multiple all generate tools to create logo and strategize your branding. So alternative concept using a content management system like WordPress as the most popular CMS. Although WordPress is versatile and easy to use with trust of themes available. It's easy to customize a website to suit your brand and photographer niche. Three are also 5,000 plus WordPress plugin. So thank you everyone.